Hey, what's up everyone, Ollie here. So I wanted to do a video on sharing things that I've learned from running a YouTube channel. For those who are maybe new to this channel, you may not know that I have a main channel where I do tech videos, lifestyle videos, things like that on that channel. I wanted to share the things that I've learned from running that channel for 5 years now. So the first thing is confidence. So over time, I didn't even realize, but I've built up confidence in being in front of the camera and sharing stuff in front of the camera pretty much. If you go through my older videos on my main channel, it's a bit cringe when I look back, but when I look at the old videos on my main channel, I was so sort of straight and monotone. I didn't really have any emotion in when I did the videos. Now I feel like I'm a completely different person. It's just hilarious seeing the difference. And I think it's just something that I've gotten used to over time, because I never felt like I was nervous speaking in front of the camera, because it's mainly just me. There's no one else here. So, it's just like speaking to myself. I don't think I was ever nervous doing that. But I think just over time, I've gotten more comfortable being in front of the camera. It's a lot of fun, but for some people. So I think most people who maybe don't do YouTube think YouTube is just a big game. It's a lot of fun. You just have a laugh doing it. And yeah, it definitely can be, but only for some people like myself. I really enjoy doing YouTube videos. I really enjoy setting up cameras and messing around with all this sort of stuff. But for a lot of people, that's actually a lot of work, stuff that they couldn't be bothered to do. I mean, if everyone found it fun, then everyone would do it. It'd be such an easy thing because you can make money from doing YouTube. But for a lot of people, it is a lot of work setting up cameras, setting up gear, setting up audio, lighting, figuring out a script, coming up with video ideas. A lot of this stuff is a lot of work. So I feel like this leads me to my next point, which is YouTube is hard. There is so much work that goes into making a video. I mean, technically anyone can just sit in front of a camera, hit the record button and record a video, but that doesn't necessarily mean that you'll make a good video that people want to watch. I found that the best superpower is finding something that you enjoy doing that other people find as work. So like I said, for a lot of people, doing YouTube is a lot of work that they just can't be bothered with. I love it. I love making videos. I love messing around with gear. I love messing around with lighting. I love doing all this sort of stuff. I love shooting B-roll for my tech videos. This is all stuff that I really enjoy doing, and that's why I do it. Do it because you're passionate about it. So I love talking tech, design, business, finance, all that sort of stuff. And I just found the best way to share those passions is with other people on places like YouTube. I don't want to bore my friends who may not be into the same sort of stuff. And I feel like that makes a lot of sense, because if all of my friends were only interested in stuff that I was interested in, I think that would be actually quite boring. I don't think that would be a good way to have a good variety of friends. I think it's always important having friends which are interested in other things. And I think the great thing about the internet is being able to find people who are interested in the same sort of stuff that you're interested in, but then at the same time, you can switch it off if you like to. Treating YouTube as a business. So just because YouTube is a lot of fun and I really enjoy doing it, that doesn't mean I shouldn't take it seriously. Treating it like a business makes sure that I get paid doing what I love to do, because at the end of the day, I still want to live comfortably. And if I'm not living comfortably, if my other parts of my life aren't sorted, especially financially, I'm really not going to enjoy doing YouTube videos. Like, it's just not going to make sense, because I know that making these videos and doing this sort of stuff, there will always be something at the back of my mind thinking, hey, I need to pay this bill, I need to pay that bill, whatever else it may be. So treating it like a business has really helped me make sure that I make money from YouTube, that I get something for making videos, that I get something for sharing stuff online. If my bills aren't paid, then nothing I do in life will make me happy. And it's a real shame that not everyone can experience that. It really is a great feeling when you're financially stable, financially free. And I just wish everyone could feel like that. It really is a shame that not everyone can. Gear doesn't matter, sort of. So you've probably heard the line, gear doesn't matter. Even I say it myself and have said it myself in the past. But really, when it comes down to making videos, the focus should be on what you're delivering to the viewer, the person actually watching your videos, rather than trying to get the perfect angle, the perfect shot, or whatever else. I bet if I were to record these videos with my iPhone, you guys would still watch them, because the video quality doesn't actually matter too much. It's the audio quality that matters, and that is where I would put more priority into, because that's the type of videos I'm making for this channel. But if you're trying to make a cinematic short movie or something like that, then sure, you most likely will need to invest in higher quality camera gear and lighting. I realized that when making videos, sometimes keeping things simple is just better. Some of my most popular videos on my main channel are videos that only took me 30 minutes to an hour to make. That includes recording it and editing it. And because I got straight to the point in that video, I just delivered what I was trying to deliver to the viewer, and it's what the viewer was looking for. They've become some of my most popular videos because there's just no fluff. Streamlining things. So one thing that's always held me back when it comes to making videos is setting up the cameras and the lights all the time. I realized that I need to reduce the friction when it comes to making videos. I need to just have things always sort of set up and ready to go. And that's what I've always tried to do. I don't want to spend hours dialing in my setup every time I want to record a video. I just want to be able to set up my camera on a tripod, switch on a light and just get recording. And that's how I had this set up. So I just have one camera, have one mic and one light, and I'm recording my videos. Really as simple as that. You can make a lot of money on YouTube. So when I first started watching YouTube videos over a decade ago, I had no idea that you can make money from making videos. I don't think most people did, but there is actually a lot of money to be made when making YouTube videos. But it really comes down to the type of content that you make. If you're a comedian or someone who does skits, you most likely won't make that much money from YouTube AdSense, but you can make a lot of money from merchandise and selling tickets to your own shows. There are a lot of comedians who do that. They'll book out a venue, they'll sell tickets to it, and they'll make a couple of $100,000 in one day just from their own show, which is a fantastic way to make money. But if you're a tech YouTuber, you can make quite good money from YouTube AdSense. You can also make good money from sponsorships and affiliate marketing. For my main channel, I estimate I made anywhere between $80,000 to $100,000 in revenue. And that's a mix of AdSense, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and sales for my own digital products. And I only have 100,000 subscribers. A lot of people think you need millions of subscribers to make money from YouTube, but I feel like I'm a good example of someone who has just over 100,000 subscribers and makes a very healthy income from it. If you nail down your niche and get your audience right, there are always other ways to make money other than YouTube AdSense. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me sharing things that I've learned from doing YouTube for over 5 years. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter and subscribe for more.